everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this week's video, I decided to do something a little bit more funny, and we're gonna be talking about growing up ugly, because I definitely could relate. A sister was looking a little rough, like 99.9% of the time. After like kindergarten was when my ugliness really started to happen. I just didn't even want to tell you guys this, you're welcome for me sharing my story. It's just so hard being ugly. And when you're ugly, I had to rely on being a comedic genius because, no one talks to you if you look a little rough. But, imagine being ugly and then your personality sucks. You're screwed. You can't do anything about it. So, I had to think quick. I had to choose, am I either going to be pretty right now or just wait it out a little bit and be ugly but be freaking hilarious that people overlook your ugly. And that's exactly what I did. Growing up ugly, your crushes never liked you back. You would get your friends to be like, oh, go tell, Jimmy that I liked him. And, little Sarah would go over there and be like, Jimmy, do you like Anaya? And he'd be like, ew, no. And you're kind of like, okay, I guess. This one time I was at a concert talking about this boy, and my friend decided to snatch my phone and, DM him on Instagram and hit him up and was like, hey, I think you're cute and you dress really nice. And I just got the response of thanks, which is really funny because I don't deserve that kind of negativity in my life. And it happened. So whatever. So I just had to, rely on being funny to even make friends. And then how to get a boyfriend, I definitely have no idea. I'm really convinced that I have to be the ugliest bitch alive because it's just not happening. I don't understand. I really don't have a boyfriend. 17 years and I've been single, but I also love giving relationship advice because I'm a professional. Who are you gonna trust, me or someone who's been in a relationship for 10 years? Definitely me, duh. And it's just, I look back on some of my pictures and the pictures are a little rough too. You know what I'm saying? I just look at myself sometimes in complete disgust because not only did I not know how to dress. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Yeah, so that was me, sophomore year of high school. I'm not only wearing this striped shirt, but I'm also wearing a different pattern striped cardigan with a red purse. And the gag is I also had a backpack. So I was the kind of person who would carry my backpack and then the purse outside the backpack. Freshman year, I also used to run to my classes. Yes, I was the freshman with the rolly backpack for a week, ditched it. Then I got the binder that zips. Yes, the binder that zips, and I would literally, my body would start tingling because I was so anxious because I knew that I had to get to class. As soon as I heard that beep, I was like, I would book it to class and I would run because I didn't want to be late. And I think I ran to my classes until junior year, which also explains why I never had a boyfriend in high school. I'm a senior, about to be graduating in that for 3 months actually. Do I run to class? No. But do I speed walk? Yes. There's also this picture. I used to draw my eyebrows very, very thick, very heavy, very dark because I just wanted to be Mac Barbie 07 when I was 13. We were wilding. It was a really rough, hard time. I was struggling even as a child. Oh my god, here was me on my 15th birthday, I look like I don't know, but it just is really gross. And my eyebrows, like, one used to be straight and then the other one used to be like really arched, and that's just disappointing. So I'm tired of going on Instagram and seeing all these 14-year-olds, slim, thick, looking good, beat faces, just looking sensational. And I had the ugly phase until about an hour ago. You know, and that's not fair. I feel like everyone deserves to have an ugly face because it builds character. Make sure that you don't peak in high school either, or else that's just a big no-no. Like, your life is going to be horrible if you peak in high school. Don't do that. But yeah, so shout out to all my ugly people because you feel the pain too. Yeah, that concludes this week's video. I really hope that you all enjoyed. If you're ugly, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, but you're probably not even ugly. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys the next time with a new video. Bye!